Today we're reviewing the AYOLNY 26-inch electric bike, a budget-friendly option designed for city commutes and light trails. It features a 1000W peak motor, a 36V 10.4 Ah battery for claimed ranges up to 55 miles, and Shimano 7-speed gearing. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's look at how this e-bike performs in different real-world scenarios. For daily commutes, this bike performs strongly, thanks to its motor and 7-speed Shimano gearing, making city travel efficient, and it handles light trails quite well, benefiting from its rugged tires and front suspension, making casual off-road paths enjoyable. Hill climbing is decent for moderate slopes. The actual range is modest. The 36V battery means the 55-mile claim is likely optimistic, depending on rider weight, and this e-bike excels in daily commuting and light trail conditions, offering solid performance for urban and. Next, let's break down the value proposition of the AYOLNY electric bike. It packs a lot of features for its cost, including a 1000W motor, 7-speed Shimano gears, and a smart display. Brand trust is a weaker point. AYOLNY is a lesser-known name, so long-term support and product evolution are less certain. Against its direct competitors, the AYOLNY offers a competitive feature set, making it an attractive option if the price is. This bike frequently sees significant discounts, which greatly enhances its overall value. This e-bike offers a strong feature set for its price point, especially if you catch it. Finally, let's discuss the potential risks and common complaints associated with this purchase. The build quality carries a mixed rating. Long-term reliability is also a point of caution. The optimistic range claims could impact its daily dependability for longer trips. Support and warranty depend on the specific Amazon seller and brand responsiveness. The app and compatibility are a positive. The G51 Smart Display with app control is generally well implemented, adding useful convenience. While the product claims safety certification, independent evidence for long-term durability and consistent support is limited. The AYOLNY electric bike is a good option for budget-conscious commuters riding mainly on paved roads who need basic electric assist and reliable 7-speed gearing. However, if you're expecting true long-range capabilities or need strong local support, you might want to consider alternatives.